Okay, so we've got a few things happening here. We've got a conflict between strategy and the fact that organizations, in terms of technology, most of them tend towards the mean. So on the strategy side, you've got what is it? So competitive advantage, differentiation, sustainability, core competencies. What do you possess that is hard to replicate? On the other side, you've got technology working towards the mean. In other words, everybody uses Microsoft, everybody uses SAP, everybody uses McKinsey, everybody uses the same security guidelines to harden the attack surface. Everybody has the same org chart. And implementing, let's say, SAP to best practices is, in essence, pushing to the mean. Now, the gap between those is really your core competencies and what is hard to replicate. So let's take, for example, Google. What does it do? It does, or has done for 20 odd years, more than that, it's able to take a query, an input, understand what it means, and instantaneously almost access its databases or data assets, because you've got lake houses and all sorts of things going on in the background, access all of that back end and present an answer in a way that the user finds to be of enormous value. And that's why Google has risen to where it is. And that actually hasn't required a standardized architecture. Their architecture, their back end, is unique and designed around their core competency and the thing that is hard to replicate, in essence, their competitive advantage, what differentiates them and what sustains it all. And we're also seeing that with AI now, where you've got a whole new architecture having to be deployed, MCP, proxy context gateways, and so on, in order to provide value on the AI side. So the solution really is to look at what your competitive advantage, differentiation, core competencies, those things that are hard to replicate, what they are, and design your architecture to target that.